Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you just can't seem to get ahead financially? You're not alone. Many of us are stuck in a cycle of financial struggle, not because we're lazy or unintelligent, but because of our mindset. The good news is, you can change it. Today we're diving deep into how to reprogram your mind for wealth, breaking free from the mental barriers that are holding you back. It's not magic. It's neuroscience and psychology, and it's something anyone can learn. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to transform your relationship with money and start attracting the abundance you deserve. So, stick around, because your journey to financial freedom starts right now. First things first, we need to talk about limiting beliefs. These are the subconscious stories we tell ourselves about money, often picked up from our childhood, culture, or personal experiences. Have you ever thought things like, money is the root of all evil, rich people are greedy, or I'm just not good with money? These aren't harmless thoughts. They're powerful commands that shape your financial reality. They act like an invisible ceiling, preventing you from reaching your true potential. For example, if you subconsciously believe that having a lot of money will make you a bad person, you will unconsciously sabotage any opportunity that could lead to significant wealth. You might procrastinate on a business idea, turn down a promotion, or make poor investment decisions. Your mind is trying to protect you from becoming what you fear. So, the first step is to become a detective of your own mind. Grab a notebook and start writing down every thought or belief you have about money, both positive and negative. Don't judge them, just get them out. This awareness is the crucial first step to dismantling them. Once you've identified these limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge and reframe them. This is where the reprogramming really begins. For every negative belief you've written down, I want you to question its validity. Is it really true that all rich people are greedy? You probably know or have heard of many wealthy philanthropists who do immense good in the world. Is it a universal law that you're bad with money? Or is it just a skill you haven't developed yet? Treat these beliefs like a lawyer cross-examining a witness. Find evidence that contradicts them. Then create a new, empowering belief to replace the old one. Instead of I can't afford that, try how can I afford that? This simple shift moves you from a state of lack to a state of possibility. Instead of money is hard to come by, reframe it as money flows to me easily and frequently from multiple sources. These new beliefs are called affirmations. You need to repeat them daily, with feeling and conviction. Write them on sticky notes and put them on your mirror, your desk, or your car's dashboard. The goal is to bombard your subconscious mind with these new, positive commands until they overwrite the old, negative programming. It takes time and repetition, just like learning any new skill, but it works. Now let's move from defense to offense. It's not enough to just remove the negative. You have to actively cultivate an abundance mindset. This is the core belief that there is more than enough to go around for everyone. It's the opposite of a scarcity mindset, which sees life as a zero-sum game where someone else's success means less for you. An abundance mindset celebrates the success of others because it understands that their success doesn't diminish your own chances. In fact, it can inspire you and show you what's possible. One powerful way to practice this is by keeping a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for, specifically related to the abundance already present in your life. It could be a delicious meal, a comfortable bed, a helpful colleague, or even finding $1 on the street. This practice trains your brain to notice and appreciate the wealth that's already around you, which in turn attracts more of it. Another technique is visualization. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day vividly imagining your ideal financial future. See yourself living in your dream house, traveling the world, or funding a cause you care about. Feel the emotions of joy, security, and freedom that come with it. Your brain can't tell the difference between a real and a vividly imagined experience. So this practice creates the neural pathways for your desired reality, making it feel more achievable and motivating you to take action. Mindset is the foundation, but it must be paired with action. Your daily habits are the building blocks of your financial future. Wealthy people don't just think differently, they act differently. Let's talk about some key financial habits you can start implementing today. First, pay yourself first. This is a golden rule of personal finance. Before you pay any bills or spend on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments, even if it's just a small percentage to start. The habit is what matters. Automate this process so the money is transferred to a separate account as soon as you get paid. You'll be amazed at how quickly it grows. Second, track your money. You can't manage what you don't measure. Use a simple app or a spreadsheet to see where your money is going. This isn't about restricting yourself. It's about making conscious spending decisions that align with your goals. When you see you're spending $200 a month on coffee, you can consciously decide if that is worth it or if you'd rather put that money toward an investment that will grow over time. Another crucial habit is to continuously increase your financial literacy. The world of money can seem intimidating, but it's a learnable skill. You don't need to become a Wall Street expert, but you should understand the basics of budgeting, saving, debt management, and investing. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos like this one, and never stop learning. The more you know, the more confident you'll become in making smart financial decisions. A great book to start with is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, or I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Knowledge reduces fear and empowers you to take control. Finally, create multiple streams of income. Relying on a single paycheck is risky in today's economy. Think about your skills, hobbies, or passions. Could you turn one into a side hustle? This could be anything from freelance writing, graphic design, or selling crafts online, to investing in dividend-paying stocks or real estate. Even a small extra income stream can dramatically accelerate your wealth-building journey and provide a crucial safety net. Let's bring it all together. Reprogramming your mind for wealth is a holistic process. It's not just about one thing. It's about the powerful synergy of mindset and action. It starts with uncovering and challenging your limiting beliefs, those old stories that have been holding you back. Then, you replace them with empowering affirmations and actively cultivate an abundance mindset through gratitude and visualization. You see the world not as a place of scarcity, but as a field of infinite opportunity. And finally, you anchor this new mindset in the real world with concrete wealth-building habits. You pay yourself first, track your spending, educate yourself financially, and build multiple streams of income. Each of these steps reinforces the others. Your positive mindset makes it easier to stick to your habits, and your successful habits provide real-world evidence that reinforces your new, abundant beliefs. It's a powerful, upward spiral that will fundamentally transform your financial life. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. You're undoing years, maybe even decades, of old programming. There will be days when you feel like you're re-slipping back into old patterns of thought and behavior. That's completely normal. The key is to be patient and compassionate with yourself. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Celebrate the small wins. Did you successfully reframe a negative thought? Celebrate it. Did you stick to your budget this week? Acknowledge that success. Each small step forward is a victory that strengthens your new neural pathways. The journey to wealth is as much an inner game as it is an outer one. By committing to this process of reprogramming your mind, you're not just changing your bank account, you're changing who you are. You're becoming a more conscious, empowered, and capable person who can create the life they truly desire. The power to build wealth is already within you. It's just waiting to be unlocked. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I truly believe that by applying these principles, you can create incredible positive change in your life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't want to miss our future videos on building wealth and living your best life. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. What's one limiting belief about money that you're ready to let go of? Sharing it can be a powerful first step. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.